Whoa. Bro, that was gravel. Boys and girls, we are in Walton, New York. It's freaking hot as hell. And I'm at Napa here, Auto Parts, buying some supplies to wash the motorcycle. You know what I mean? So, super hot. Super duper uber hot. We're just gonna not really send it, but go quick, get there. Been out and about long part of the day. Oof. The breeze feels good. The bike is at 90 degrees. Good Lord. I got some chicken. Gonna make some chicken speedies, baby. 4th of July party set up, I'm guessing. Purely wonderful. As we're moving, the temperature will drop 88. We'll take a little right. It's all good. Intrusive thoughts. I always want to go on the left there and then go at speed and then pop out. But the thing is, it could be oncoming traffic and that could be dangerous. Oof. Armpits feel good. 84 degrees at speed. Oh yeah, moving around feels good. Feels good as you move around. Flows in different directions. Oh, one-handed around a turn, oh my god. Nice. Yes. this road. That's what they're suggesting, huh? Interesting. Oh boy. We got a car. Take it easy, because right now the deer are hunting for humans. What are the chances there's another car? Folks going swimming, baby. Camped here before. Really lovely campsites. Look at these roads, you're just middle of nowhere. Gonna be a few houses here and there maybe, but that's it. Overall. Whoa. Bro, that was gravel. That was gravel in a turn. I wasn't paying attention. I could have dumped the bike there. That would have been awful. Okay, let's take it easy. It's a nice country drive. Lovely. 79 here. Oof, so much better. You could feel the forest cool. No camping. Downright dark over here, 77 degrees. I dig it. Kind of road that a deer runs out through. It was nice and dark and secluded. Good. Good. Lovely. Don't want to go too fast because that gravel, that was sketch. No, I saw it coming and I should have slowed down way ahead. and instead I had to go vertical. Scanning all the wildlife. It's the biggest problem around here. Nice, sweet burnout. Like I just did a little patch. I dig it. Over here, there's a little campsite. I usually stop at. Relax a little bit. Somebody's camping. That's cute. It's crazy how underutilized all this is. Nobody's even here. There's a cool campsite right there as well. Damn. I'm not camping either, so I guess I'm part of the problem, not part of the solution. Got 2 some miles. Gravel here. Chilling, baby, chilling. Like I'm terrorizing these poor streets. People don't normally see sport bikes around here. They usually see adventure bikes and all that shit. So they're not used to the speed. But I'm about to show them the speed in half a mile here. Off. It's gonna be fine. I don't think it's gonna be too upset. And I don't think he's a cop or anything, so I'm passing you, don't worry.